Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are covering the most effective and official way to back up your entire Google Photos library directly to an external hard drive. First, plug your external hard drive into your computer. Open your File Explorer, locate your drive, and create a new folder named Google Photos Backup. This will keep everything organized from the start. Next, open your web browser and head over to takeout.google.com. This is Google's official tool for exporting your account data. Once you are signed in, you will see a long list of services. Click Deselect All near the top right of the list. Scroll down until you find Google Photos and check the box right next to it. Proceed all the way to the bottom of the page and click the next button. For the delivery method, leave it set to Send Download Link via email. Keep the file type as .zip. For the file size, it typically defaults to 2 gigabytes. To avoid having to download dozens of separate files, it is highly recommended to change this to 10 or even 50 gigabytes, depending on the speed and stability of your internet connection. Click Create Export. Google will now begin preparing your files. Depending on the size of your photo library, this process can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days. Once your export is ready, you will receive an email from Google. Open that email, click Download your files, and save them to your computer. Finally, navigate to your Downloads folder. Copy the newly downloaded zip files and paste them directly into the Google Photos Backup folder you created on your external hard drive. You can extract the folders there to view the photos or just keep them zipped as a secure archive. And that is all there is to it. Your memories are now safely backed up offline. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tech tutorials. See you in the next one.